There's this huge dust storm coming. We're just battening everything down here. There's white caps coming this way. Look at this sand pile coming this way. You could feel the sand in our face, the silt blowing this way. We're battening down the hatches right now. Took the tarp down. Tents are. Yeah, you can see the hubba when it's got a side force. It's kind of useless. It pulls like crazy. I needed to turn it a little more into the wind.
Shielded by yours.
Yeah, I think so. I'm helping her. Originally, it's good in this way, but when it's sideways, useless. It seems to be flat. It's probably not good for it. I've managed to get in the tent, and look at all the dust in here. And the silt is just flying. Everything's coated in silt. You can hear the silt hitting the fly. See all the silt in the tent. There's a dust bowl in here. Alright, 6:14. I made a little mod. I got this post supporting the horizontal thing so it's not collapsing anymore. Put a little V-notch at the top. Wedged it in there. It's doing a good job. So this is kind of the windward side over this area. Still getting coated in dust, but at least the tent seems to be surviving. I kind of looked out there. Everybody's okay. They're hunkered down. No rain or anything. It's just the sand flying. Silt, sand, whatever. This is like silt here. Very fine. Yeah, very fine. We're gonna be well coated. Right, how this finishes. Yeah, 6:37, still blowing. Look at the silt. Look at this. It just flowing in under, over, wherever. Yeah, I'm gonna need a thorough dusting after this. Okay, 10 minutes later, still blowing. Look at the sand, silt, whatever. Quite dusty. I don't know how long it's gonna blow. But it's just wind right now, so there's no rain or anything. Alright, 7:05. I could hear thunder in the distance. No rain yet. There's the thunder. Been blowing at least an hour and a half now. It's not as violent as it was. But still blowing. In a sleeping bag now. And so I had a lightning strike about 2.5 seconds away. Big flash, and then 2.5 seconds later, a big bang. I think the storm's moving by us. I don't actually see any rain, so. Okay. Update. 7:35 p.m. There's a little rain coming down now. See if it intensifies. Well, it's raining. This tent is not very good when it comes to wind. The fly touches and it kind of drips on the inside. So we just got to survive this and then tension the fly a bit. All right, 8:07. It's raining. Wind's pretty firm, and it's raining. Reasonably dry. Got my rain jacket. There's little spits coming off this. I got my rain jacket here. It's covering my sleeping bag, which is good. Well, it rained all night. It's morning now, 6:30, and overcast skies, but nice little breeze, starting to dry out stuff. Anyways, I just sent the in-reach message. It says 9:37, but it's really 6:37 local. That's 9:37, I guess, Toronto time. So, in-reach message to Alcan Air, giving the weather forecast. So it looks like we'll get picked up around 10:30. I'll have to see how everybody else survived. So I got home and fixed my fly and waterproofed it. I think I'll make a video on that, so look for it.